Welcome to the birthplace of speed, a futuristic mega factory where raw molten metal transforms into the world's most advanced electric hypercar through absolute precision engineering. Witness the raw power of liquid fire as molten aluminum magnesium alloy flows into massive molds, forming the foundational strength of our next generation electric chassis. Under 9,000 tons of extreme pressure, the gigacasting process solidifies the vehicle's core, ensuring unparalleled structural integrity and safety for the high-performance journeys ahead. Advanced cooling systems deploy a fine mist of water, instantly stabilizing the alloy's crystalline structure to achieve the perfect balance between lightweight agility and extreme durability. Precision is paramount as high-powered blue lasers slice through excess material with surgical accuracy, refining the cast frame to a tolerance of just 0.1 millimeters. Every millimeter is scrutinized by structured light scanners, detecting even the smallest microscopic defects to ensure that only a flawless foundation proceeds to the next stage. Transitioning into the clean room, we enter the realm of additive manufacturing, where Grade 5 titanium powder is meticulously prepared for a revolutionary construction process. Multi-laser systems synchronize their energy to build intricate components layer by layer, creating organic shapes that are impossible to achieve through any traditional machining or casting methods. Observe the birth of a high-performance brake caliper through time-lapse, revealing internal honeycomb structures designed for maximum heat dissipation and weight reduction for extreme track performance. These bionic designs optimize strength while reducing weight by 40% compared to traditional parts, allowing the hypercar to achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and speed. Carefully handled by automated systems, these titanium components are extracted from their powder beds, ready to be integrated into the complex puzzle of the vehicle's assembly. Post-processing involves specialized ceramic bead polishing, refining every surface until it reaches a smooth, satin finish that meets our rigorous standards for both aesthetics and mechanical performance. With the precision of 3D printing and the strength of titanium, these parts form the symphony of technology that defines the soul of our future hypercar. We now enter the energy core, where high-speed robotics assemble the high-density battery cells that will provide the immense power required for instantaneous hypercar acceleration. Precision laser welding connects copper bus bars to every individual cell, creating a seamless high-voltage path that ensures maximum energy flow and minimizes internal resistance during discharge. The heart of the drivetrain takes shape as copper wire is wound into the stator, creating a perfect electromagnetic field for our ultra-high efficiency electric motors. Our motors are engineered to deliver massive torque and power, featuring a symmetrical design that represents the pinnacle of modern electrical engineering and manufacturing excellence. Thermal management is critical. Here, a robotic arm applies high-conductivity neon green paste to ensure every cell stays at the optimal temperature during extreme driving conditions. The energy core is finally sealed with a lightweight carbon fiber lid, providing a protective shell that is both incredibly strong and essential for overall vehicle weight reduction. Moving silently on magnetic rails, the completed battery pack travels toward the final assembly area, where it will be united with the chassis and the aerodynamic body. With a staggering assembly accuracy of 5 microns, our energy systems are tested to their limits, ensuring absolute reliability and world-class performance for the end user. Sculpting the wind begins with carbon fiber. Ultrasonic blades cut through the advanced prepreg material with vibrating precision, preparing the skin of our high-speed aerodynamic masterpiece. Each layer is placed with mathematical precision, aligning the carbon weave to maximize strength and rigidity while maintaining the ultra-lightweight profile necessary for a true hypercar. Inside the massive autoclave, intense heat and pressure fuse the layers together, creating a monocoque structure that is stronger than steel, yet light enough to fly. The finished monocoque enters the paint booth, where a synchronized ballet of 6 robots prepares to apply a finish that is as functional as it is beautiful. 12 layers of nanotechnology paint are applied with extreme precision, creating a deep iridescent finish that shifts color and protects the carbon body from the elements. The final clear coat adds a crystal-like depth, transforming the vehicle into a rolling sculpture that reflects its environment with mirror-like clarity and flawless surface quality. Our AI vision systems scan every square millimeter, ensuring
redefine the limits